Hi Shravan,
Hi,
where are you from?
where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And
Okay,
you?
I'm from UP.
Oh, okay. I have lots of friends from UP.
Oh, great. And on the episode, I got friends like, people from different countries, very less people from India. So, very happy to meet you.
Yes, lots of. I met lots of Bangladeshi peoples and fight with them.
Yeah,
So
many people from the Bangladesh and neighboring country like Myanmar and, from China as
yes,
well. Many peoples I got to know, and some of them become friends as well.
yes.
Yeah.
Well, what do you do for living?
Well, I'm pursuing my master's. Right now I'm a student. I'm pursuing my master in computer application. And other than
Oh,
this,
so
I
where?
teach people online, English speaking and communication skill. So that's where from,
Okay,
some part of earning I do. Yeah. What do you
okay.
do?
Sorry.
What do you do? I mean, are you a working professional?
Yes. Yes, I completed my undergraduate degree in computer engineering. Now I am a Python developer.
Oh my God. So you have done BTech, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
I know which university you are from?
I'm from a college that is affiliated to AKTU, Lucknow. Yeah, my college name is KIPM
Okay,
College of Management. It is in my state. Yeah.
okay.
And you from which
Yes,
from
UPG,
from which university you have
UPG.
done?
Yes, it is too freezing in your side because you are wearing woolen cap, so that's why I'm asking you.
No, actually, I have not. I'm not using Bluetooth or something like that. Now is my voice is clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So I was asking that from which university you have done your BTech.
Yes, I'm completed my BTech degree from Mumbai University.
Okay, great. And what is the purpose to be here on this platform?
Uh, I just wanted to some confidence and wanted to improve my communication skills.
Yeah, sure.
I'm doing lots of mistakes in grammar, so that's why.
Yeah. So with the same purpose, I'm also here. Many people, I think they have the common issues and they have the same purpose. That's why they are on this application.
Yes.
So right now,
Actually, Bangladeshi people can't speak perfectly.
yeah,
It means I am also not speak perfectly, but still, if I try to speak with them, then I forgot my English.
yeah, yeah, Bangladeshi people
That's why I'm
and
avoid Bangladeshi people.
yeah, and this platform is also lots of people from the Pakistan as well. They are using this application. They are disconnecting the call in
I
between.
hope, yes, I hope Pakistan people not meet me.
Otherwise, you are gonna not leave them. You are gonna teach
Yes,
them a lesson.
I will sue them. I will, because they are both countries are useless.
Yeah, I mean the people are not just they don't want to talk. They just want to have a discussion over political discussion and such kind of discussion. That's why
Yes, yes.
sometimes I don't talk to them.
Both country people, they don't have a mind.
Yeah,
They are mindless.
that's why they are there. That's why they are facing
Yes,
economical situation is not good in Bangladesh and
yes,
Pakistan as well. The people are they are not even affording two times meal. Many problems are going on in Bangladesh and
yes,
Pakistan.
yes, yes,
So by
Shravan.
the way, nice to
Oh,
meet
time's
you.
up, Shravan.
Yeah, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Yeah, thank
Have a
you.
nice night.
Have a nice day, brother.
Bye.
Bye.